Have you ever thought about stashing some cash in your spice rack? Maybe a little emergency fund hidden amongst the cinnamon and cloves? Well, before you go raiding your kitchen cabinets, let's talk about a spice that's often in the spotlight when it comes to money-hiding rumors: nutmeg. Is money in nutmeg actually protected? Now, the idea of burying treasure or hiding valuables in unusual places is as old as time itself. From pirates burying gold to people hiding money under mattresses, the human imagination knows no bounds when it comes to secret stashes. Nutmeg, with its strong aroma and unique properties, has somehow become a popular choice in this realm of clandestine finance. But let's get real for a second. Nutmeg is a spice. It's used to flavor food. While it might have some interesting properties, it's not a vault. It's not a safe. And it certainly isn't a fortress against thieves, pests, or the ravages of time. The myth of nutmeg as a money protector probably stems from a combination of factors. First, nutmeg does have some antimicrobial properties. It can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria. But let's be clear, this doesn't mean it can protect your money from everything. Mold, mildew, and other types of damage can still occur. Second, nutmeg has a strong smell. This might deter some casual snoopers. But let's face it, anyone determined to find your hidden cash is probably not going to be put off by a bit of spice. And even if they are, the smell will eventually dissipate. And then there's the issue of humidity. Money doesn't like humidity. It can lead to mold and mildew, which can damage your bills. Nutmeg, being a spice, is often stored in humid conditions. So, putting money in nutmeg is kind of like storing your cash in a damp basement. Not ideal. But what about the idea that nutmeg can repel insects? Well, it can repel some insects, under certain conditions. But again, this doesn't mean it's a foolproof method of protection. There are plenty of insects that aren't bothered by nutmeg. And even if it does repel some, they might just find another way to get to your money. So, to sum it up, is money in nutmeg protected? The short answer is no. While nutmeg has some interesting properties, it's not a reliable way to safeguard your cash. There are much better options out there. If you're looking for a secure place to store your money, consider a bank, a safe deposit box, or even a sturdy safe. These options offer far better protection against theft, damage, and loss. And let's be honest, finding a creative hiding spot can be fun. But when it comes to your hard-earned cash, it's better to be practical than clever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.